Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our Facebook Live. And I'm glad you're here too. Have a pleasant Sunday to everyone. Philippine Standard Time is 4:59 p.m. And Laszlo, tonight, this afternoon. Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng nanonood.
Just for tonight, got a feeling well all over the place. To make you join, well, enjoy yourself. Don't give up the pleasure of tonight. Don't be so worried, baby. Everything is gonna be great. Why don't you try to know it? You don't have a thing to forget, or even try to. Oh, we will see tonight, we gotta play you in the right way. Oh, you and me better off if finally together. Tonight, we will see tonight, we gotta play you in the right way. Tonight, you and me better off if finally together. Stop to the moving and just listen to me. We'll be bad enough to lose your mind. Catch the moment, enjoy yourself. Try to touch it with the love in your eyes. Don't be just worried, baby. Everything is gonna be great. Why don't you try to know it? You don't have a thing to forget, or we will try to. We will see tonight, we gotta play to win the right way. You and me better off be finally together. Tonight, we will see tonight, we gotta play to win the right way. Tonight, you and me better off be finally together.
Magandang hapon po ulit sa inyong lahat. And it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Saan mang pugsulo kayo ng Pilipinas, naroroon, Luzon, Visayas hanggang Mindanao. Kamusta po kayong lahat? At saan mang kung panig kayo ng mundo naroroon, sa ating pong mga kaibigang OFW dyan, magandang hapon po.
Tonight, we will see tonight, we gotta play you in the right way.
Philippine Standard Time is 5:04 p.m.
Shift to D major.
Nawala yung mga music natin dito. Yun. Okay. Ayan. Next song na agad tayo. Again po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. At ang ating pong Facebook Live ay sabay niyo po itong napapanood sa ating official YouTube channel. Sa ating pong TikTok, napapanood niyo rin po ito sa atin sa X, formerly Twitter. Napapanood niyo rin po ito sa ating Instagram. Magandang hapon po ulit sa inyong lahat. And isang pong magandang hapon sa inyong lahat po muli. Tomorrow, it's December 8. It is Feast of Immaculate Conception. It's a holiday again tomorrow. So, pahinga-pahinga tayo. And next song is Michael Learns to Rock Medley para po sa inyong lahat.
Baby, won't you tell me why there is sadness in your eyes? I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. You're the one who set it up. Now you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you said, but there is something left in my head. I won't forget the way you're kissing, the feeling so strong when lasting for so long. But I'm not the man your heart brings missing. That's why only I know. I was almost about to lose my faith. I'm still dreaming, but it was too late. But then you came along to my surprise. And stole my heart before my very eyes. You took me right why since you came into my life, everything has changed. After some time, I finally made up my mind. She's the girl, and I really want to make her mine. I'm finally searching for wala ako. To tell her I love her, and I'm sorry about the things I've done. Hello, kamusta sa lahat dyan? I'm finally standing in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't serve. She looks so happy in a wedding dress, but she's crying while she's saying this. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. So you travel so far, boy, I'm sorry you're 25 minutes too late.
Ano ba yan?
The Milky Way up in the heavens is drinking just for you. And Mr. Moon, he came by to say goodnight to you. I sing for you, I sing for mother, we're praying for the world. And for the people everywhere, and show them all we care. Oh, my sleeping child, the world's so wild, but you build your own paradise. That's what reason why I'll call you sleeping child. Keep you away from the world so wild. Keep you away from the world so wild. Keep you away from the world, away from the world so wild. My sleeping child.
Salamat po. Next song tayo. Teka lang ha. May babasahin tayo ditong mga comment. Wait lamang po. Nawawala tayo kanina eh. Okay, magbabasa lamang po tayo ng mga comment dito. Kamusta? Shout out to Marlon Abulo. Ang office mate natin yan. Nasa Camarines Sur. Layo mo ha. Ilan days kayo dyan? 15? 15 days kayo dyan sa Bicol. Next is hello mate, Marisa Pangan. Hello, kamusta ka dyan? Hindi naman. Ang secret lang dyan eh, stay lang tayo, stay happy. Yan ang isa sa mga sekreto natin. Wow. Hello. Hindi naman. Okay, hello Maggie ulit. Chiliates, hello, good afternoon. How are you now, my dearest kuya? Wow, salamat naman din. My dearest ate. Do you remember me saying smile paka-juwit tayo? Asmula, paka-juwit tayo. Ayan, meron pa siya dito mga comment. Do you remember me saying, ayan. Say smile po tayo kuya, do you remember me? Oo naman na, nag-comment tayo last time eh. Diba? Nag-singing-singing tayo. One friend, nakanta ko na yan last live ko. One friend. Request lang Sir JM 2005 medley remix na din. Yan, favorite ko yun. Ano yun? 2025 medley remix? Ano yun? Anong kanta yun? Yung nasa work pa ako. Ano yun Marlon? Yung medley remix. Okay, i-comment mo lang ha. Para to sa inyo, mate Pangan and friend natin si Smule, si Maggie. Para sa inyo tong next song natin. Hope you like this. Okay, inom muna tayong water. Para sa inyong dalawa to. Mate Maggie, Mate Marisa and Maggie.
Baby, quite a day the circus came to town. 'Cause she didn't want parade just passing by her. She was painting on a smile and took up with some clown. Was a dance without a net upon the wire. I know a lot about her, can't you see? Maybe it's enough for love like me. Don't cry out loud, just keep it inside and learn how to hide your feelings. Fly high and loud, and if you should fall, remember you almost had it all. Melissa Manchester Bentley.
Nauuhaw na ako.
Isn't just a play. I'm not the kind who makes it last forever. And in my selfish way, I think I'm clever until you cry. Do you wanna leave? You can let it go because you're strong. But one day without your love seems alone. And I sigh, if this is love, darling, now's the time to wake up. Working words can really shake up someone's life. If this is love, darling, it's time to stop pretending we'll never have the happy ending while we cry.
Philippine Standard Time is 5:18. Looking through the eyes of love.
Please don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am, everything I wanna be. I can see what's mine now, finding out what's true since I found you. Looking to the eyes of love. Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it comes up shining now. Reaching out to touch you, I can feel so much since I found you. Knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Please don't let this feeling end. It might not come again, and I want to remember how it feels to touch you. How I feel so much since I found you. Looking through the eyes of love, and now I do believe that evening's almost quite so light. Knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it goes up shining now, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you. Looking through the eyes of
Melissa Manchester medley. Pagod ako doon. Teka, yan. Magbabasa na tayo ng mga comment. Wait lang man po. Yan. Okay. Teka lang mo inom lang ako ng tubig Pagod ako doon Okay. Wait lamang po. Yan. Nakakapagod pala mag-live ng sunod no, ng mga medley na kanta. Okay. Teka lang po Wait lang minute. Okay. Basa-basa tayo. Okay. Move on lang. Wala, naiyak naman siya Kenny Roach, ano daw yun? Ano ba yung 2025 medley remix? Ano ba yun, Lon? Kenny Rogers. Sige, wait UNI? Okay, wait a minute. Lon, pa-post, pa-comment ko ano yung 2025. Teka, pa-comment lang kung ano yun. Parang hindi ko alam kung ano yung 2025, 2025 remix. Ano ba yun? 2025 medley. Ano ba yun? Wait a minute, sinasalang ko na yung UNI. Okay. Para sa'yo to, Maggie, long friend. Okay. Tuloy tayo. Pa-post lang Lon ko ano yung 2025 medley. Okay, next. Philippine Standard Time is 5:23 p.m. Again po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. This song is dedicated to Miss Maggie Quilates. You and I by Kenny Rogers. Para sa ito.
your world. I may die inside, but you love me. Don't believe the world, no, the world can give us paradise. When you make love to me, then I just couldn't see the light. As long as I got you, as long as you got me, as long as we got you and I. Ano ba yun?
Palakpakan naman.
I won't let you down. No better love will be there when you turn around. I'll be waiting for you till the ocean turns to sand. There will never be any man who love you just the way that I love you. So don't believe the world, no, the world can give us paradise. In the eye within the storm, when it just not, let's make it through the night. As long as I got you, as long as you got me, as long as we got you and I. So don't believe the world, no, the world can give us paradise. In the eye within the storm, when it just couldn't make it through the night. As long as I got you, as long as you got me, as long as we got you and I.
Kenny Rogers, You and I, requested by Miss Maggie Pilates. Tama ba yung aking pronunciation? Okay, it's 18 days to go before Christmas tayo. Teka, basa muna tayo ng comment. Teka, hindi ma-delete ito ah. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, basa tayo. Hi, thank you. Ano sila? Ikaw multo. Ano multo? Ano nga multo? Ito ka dyan. Teka lang ha. 18 days to go before Christmas. Ay nako, huwag ka umiyak. Bawal umiyak. 2025 medley. Teka, susubukan ko i-search yan ha. Yan yung title ng 2025 medley. 2025 medley. Wala lumalabas dito. Sa ating Teka. 2025 medley. Ano yung share mo dyan? Teka, 18 days to go before Christmas. Ito muna tayo. Habang hinahanap natin yung 2025 medley. 18 days to go before Christmas. A Perfect Christmas muna tayo by Jose Marichan.
idea of a perfect Christmas is to spend it with you in a party of dinner for two. Anywhere will do. Celebrating the Yuletide season always light up our lives. Simple pleasures are made special too when they share with you. Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends will always remember. Watching busy shoppers watching above the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town, children's carols in the air, light a Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your head. I can think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you let me spend my whole life with you.
18 days to go before Christmas. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong buong pamilya. Salamat, Maggie!
Into some more photographs, faces and friends will always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town, children's carols in the air, lighting Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your head. I can think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you let me spend my whole life with you. My idea of a perfect Christmas, spending it with you. My idea of a perfect Christmas, spending it with you.
Salamat po. The time now it's 5:35 p.m. again, November 7 po today. 18 days to go bago po ang araw ng Kapaskuhan. Again po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Hello sa mga kakulinan natin dito. Shout out Marlon Abulok, ingat kayo dyan sa Bicol, Camarines ba? 13 days pa kayo dyan. Ako, abutan kayong Pasko dyan. Again, Maggie, salamat sa time mo, kahit break time mo, nag-spend ka ng time for watching me. And sa aking si mate, hello kay Marisa Pangan. Hello, kamusta? Ayan, have a blessed Sunday po again sa inyong lahat. Muli po, napapanood po ninyo ito ng sabay sa ating YouTube channel, sa TikTok, sa Instagram. Napapanood nyo rin po ito sa ating X, sa dating Twitter, sa ating pong Facebook, at sa ating pong Threads. Please follow din po sa aking mga official karaoke app tulad po ng Smule, Star Maker at Wishing. Follow lamang po at tayo po ay sabay-sabay pong magkakantahan dyan. Palakpakan po muna. Last song po tayo, hindi ko alam yung ano yung sasabi niyong multo. Wala pong multo dito. Ay, salamat po. Ano yung name nung mga ka-work mo dyan at isa-shoutout natin siya. Okay, last song na tayo bago tayo mag-bye-bye. And again, last song tayo kay Willie Revillame naman to. Again, magandang hapon po ulit sa inyong lahat. Please mention yung mga name ng atin pong isa-shoutout, Miss Maggie, bago tayo mag-bye-bye. Pwede ba? Willie Revillame! Make some noise!
Lagi akong naghihintay sa'yo, nananabing makasama mo. Lamang ka lagi ng isipan ko, ngayong gabi pinapangarap ko. Makita ang islap ng iyong mata, ang labi mong sakit na madama. Sulyap mo lang kahit malayo ka, pwede ba? Miss, pwede bang sumayaw tayo? Gusto ko lang malaman ng pangalan mo. Huwag mong ipagkait ang kagustuhan ko, na makilala ka at makasama ka. Oh, Miss, pwede bang sumayaw tayo? Gusto ko lang naman mapalapit sa'yo, nang maramdaman mo tibok ng puso ko. Pwede ba?
Hello, Miss Nika! Hello, Miss Len or Miss Nika Len. Hindi ko alam kung magkaiba yan. Magkaibang tao yan o isang tao lang yan. Hello sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.
Sa piling mo ako'y nananabig, mayak ka kahit isang saglit. Puso ikaw ang siyang pinipinti, kailangan ko ang iyong pag-ibig. Ikaw na ba ang kapalaran ko, kaya ako'y naghihintay sa'yo. Sa katulad ng kahapon mo, sa piling ko ay mapapawi mo. Oh, Miss, pwede bang sumayaw tayo? Gusto ko lang malaman ng pangalan mo. Huwag niyong ipagkait ang kagustuhan ko, na makilala ka at makasama ka. Oh, Miss, pwede bang sumayaw tayo? Gusto ko lang naman mapalapit sa'yo, nang maramdaman mo tibok ng puso ko. Pwede ba? Pwede ba?
Salamat po. Napagod ako. Maraming salamat po again. Hello, mate. Kamusta, Miss Nerissa Guanyo Sosito? Happy watching. Thank you for your present. Long time no see. Long time no to. Kamusta, mate? Kamusta yung aking mga batch 4-7 dyan, yung during ng high school days natin? Palakpakan po natin sila. Yay! Again po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong pong walang sawang pong pagsuporta, panonood sa atin pong ano ba ang masasabi doon? Fastest growing, hindi naman fastest, slow but sure na YouTube channel. Ayan, maraming po salamat sa walang sawa pong panonood sa ating pong mga content dyan. At dalawang Sabado na lamang po at magsi-season break na tayo. Next year, 2026 na po yung balik natin after ng next 2 Saturday season break, pahinga po muna tayo. And sa January 1, yung ating pong opening remarks yung traditional ginagawa natin bago po tayo magsimula ng panibagong taon, yung ating pong opening remarks. And then syempre, yung ating pong 2025 year-ender presentation. Yung buong 2025 na naganap, yung content na ginawa natin for the past year, pagsasama-samahin po natin yan in two part. Dalawang part po yan. Isang part 1 at isang part 2. And then nalalapit na rin po yung ating 5th anniversary presentation. Despite po na may mga kalungkutang naganap for this year, 2025, continue lamang po natin gawin kung ano po yung kaloob ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo. Tuloy-tuloy lamang po yung buhay. Tekla po, ako po yung nauuhaw. Kamusta po ulit sa inyong lahat? Hello? Last song na tayo. Ano bang maganda? Last song again po, shout out kay Nika Len or Miss Nika or Miss Len. Friend siya ni Maggie. Yun, thank you kahit break time mo. Saan ka ba nagtatrabaho? Kahit linggo, may work ka. Teka, last song tayo. Isip tayo kung ano yung pwede nating i-song dito. Sanay lang po dapat isang masaya. Teka lang po Ito, last song tayo. Bago tayo mag-bye-bye. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Hindi po ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta po sa akin. Last song na po tayo bago po tayo mag-bye-bye. Again po, napapanood po ninyo ito sa aking YouTube, sa Instagram, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa Threads, at sa X, sa dating Twitter. Please follow din po ako sa aking mga karaoke app, Star Maker, Wishing, at sa ating pong Smule. Yung ating pong Christmas countdown sa Smule is hanggang December 21 na lamang po yan. Yung ating pong Christmas countdown on Smule, Year 8. So, piruin mo, naka 8 years na tayo sa Smule. Katunayan, yung ginawa ko yan parang more than 8 years na ako sa Smule. So, nag-enjoy naman tayo kasi yun lang naman yung ating pastime kapag kailangan natin ng isang pampatanggal ng stress. Kanta-kanta lang tayo. Huwag tayo padadala, huwag tayo patatalo sa mga problema. Last song po tayo from VST and Company. Medley po dito. Teka, may message siya. Wow, may message siya. BGC Makati Taguig, wow! Yayamanin! Nasa BGC Makati si Maggie. Layo Ayun. Kamusta sa mga ka-office mate mo dyan? Hello sa inyong lahat. Ilang oras ba yung break nyo? 1 hour? Last song tayo. Again, thank you Maggie. Last song po tayo, VST and Company Medley. After po nito, magbabay na tayo. And Philippine Standard Time, it's 5:44 p.m. Today is December 7. Again, 18 days to go before Christmas. VST and Company.
Tayo ay magsaya at iwanan ang problema. Magsama-sama sa ligaya, magsayawan hanggang mag-umaga. Pira na paganda at pumorma kung nagsasayaw ka. Baliwala, lahat ng ito ay masasayang na. Di mo mapapansin ang oras ay tumatakbo. Di mararamdaman at pagod ay maliligtas. Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tutugan. Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tutugan. sayawan hanggang mag-umaga. Di mo mapapansin ang oras ay tumatakbo. Di mararamdaman ang pagod ay maliligtan. Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tugtugan. Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tugtugan.
Shout out to Miss Nika. Happy, happy birthday to you.
Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tugtugan. At sa magdamagan, itambik ang lahat, ibigay ang sarap ng buhay. Rock. 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 Rock, baby, rock. Rock into my heart. Rock, baby, rock. Say we'll never part. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Oh. Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan, ako ay lalo nang naiiba. Come on and rock me tonight, ako ay sa'yo forever. Kaya i-push mo na, pagkat tayo ay together. Rock, baby, rock.
Shout out to Miss Nika. Happy, happy birthday to you. Pakain ka naman dyan. At sa lahat po ng nagbe-birthday, happy, happy birthday ko sa inyong lahat.
Dahan-dahan lang. Rock, baby, rock. Ako'y mag-aabang. Rock, baby, rock, baby. Rock, rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby, rock, baby. Rock, rock, baby, rock.
Happy, happy birthday again, Miss Nika. How old are you? Ilan taong ka na? Tapos happy birthday to you.
Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan, ako ay lalo nang naiiba. Come on and rock me tonight, ako ay sa'yo forever. Kaya i-push mo na, pagkat tayo ay together. Rock, baby, rock.
Philippine Standard Time is 10 minutes before the time of 6 p.m.
Walang ibang sasarap sa pagtitinginan natin. Sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman na lagi kang pakikinggan. Magpakailanman. Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan.
Sunday. Again, have a blessed Sunday po sa inyong lahat. It's 18 days to go before Christmas. Again, shout out po sa ating mga naka-jamming ngayong araw na ito. Marlon Abulog, shout out to Miss May, to ating May, classmate, Marisa Pangan, Maggie Pilates, kamusta yung ating pong friend from Señor? Hello din, si May ko rin to, Nerissa Guarin. And again, shout out po kay Miss Nika, happy birthday po sa iyo. More birthdays to come, and 23 years old na po siya today. Ayan. Happy birthday. Sana'y alasing po ako.